I'm gonna be changing my injectors here, so I thought I'd just do a before and after video. How it starts, how it runs. It's about minus 22 right now degrees Celsius. And I went to turn it over earlier, it was just, there's nothing there, it was completely dead. Hasn't started in a few days, batteries are weak, not even a year old. I'll warranty those. Hopefully she'll start. Well, looks like she's going to take a little bit to fire over. Try again here. So you can see how hard it is to start. I'll wait for the batteries to charge up a bit more. Going. I got my foot all the way on the pedal right now. If I let off, it would shut off. Door's not shut all the way. So it's hard to really see how rough it runs if I let off my foot off the pedal. But you can hear it already. It's running rough. Once it warms up, it runs good though. But you've seen how hard it was to start. See, I just let off my foot off the gas pedal, she died. Hopefully it has enough juice to turn her over here. Should say that fuel pedal. Throttle. She's taking revs. That's all the way to the floor. I have to pedal all the way to the floor. I don't want to idle her up too high here. Let her idle on her own now. She's idling on her own. Got all the injectors in now, and we're gonna do them. I'll show you guys how she runs after the injectors are done. Okay, so now's the test to see how these injectors turned out. Got them done last night. Took her for a drive, obviously. Everything seems to be running awesome. So now is the first cold start test. It's about minus 20 degrees Celsius outside right now. Had her plugged in overnight. Put the trickle charger on it just to make sure the batteries are up to charge, because it's in the garage there for a couple of days, so the batteries being drained down. I wanted them fully charged again. So let's see here. how she starts. Truck needs a good cleaning. You can see it's super dirty. Oh, she fired right up. Oh, that's nice. Revs, full power. I could drive away right now. Amazing, awesome. So as you guys can see, the difference between before and after these new injectors is incredible. She's fixed. If you're thinking about doing your injectors, or you need your injectors done, obviously I highly suggest doing it. Gears are starting like mine.